Today I will show you some beautiful exclusive Nakshikata hand stitched sarees. The saree number 1, it's a mix and match exclusive designer pure Gachi Tasar saree. See the design. It's a beautiful design in the pallu. First I am showing you the pallu. See the design. Yes. It's perfect for any party or any occasion. It's an exclusive piece. The pallu we have designed in a different way with the 2 different blocks. In the middle portion you will get the Ma Durga motif, and all in the 4 corner you will get a kalamkari design. See, all are very artistically done. Now see the body portion. Wow, it has a paisley border with the geometric design. So it's a mix and match of traditional and a contemporary design. See the look of the saree. Very nice one. And the base color is a pure natural Gachi Tasar. See the full look. It has an exclusive look. And this is the pallu design. The price is 8990. The price is 8990. I am showing you in folds. These all are very exclusive. Okay. Now another pure Tasar material. The price is 7500. See the work portion. It's a corner to corner and the work is all over reverse kantha work. See, all colors are very subtle, very sober, not very shocking colors. The reverse has been done in the floral motifs. All are kantha stitch. You can show the close-up. Show in the close-up. Very nice, very intricate cover-up with the reverse design. Okay. The material is Tasar. Material is Tasar, and all over the saree you will get this design. I am showing you the blouse. I am showing you the blouse. See the look. And this is the blouse of the saree. The price is 7500. Now comes another exclusive. It's a very exclusive saree. The material is Vishnupuri Katan silk. Material is Vishnupuri Katan silk. See, wow, very nice color combination. This is the pallu design, and all over the saree you will get this teal blue or a turquoise blue reverse katha work. Yeah, you will be amazed with the intricate work of the saree and the design. The color of the thread is a pink highlighting colored thread, and the filling thread is a white thread. So now you can understand the intricacy of the work, and you will get a very interesting design. Wow. But this is the blouse. See the blouse design. In the sleeve you will get this all over design. In the back you will get this interesting smart border. And the drape of the saree is also very pretty and gorgeous. See. Okay, the price I have already told you. 8800, 8800. Another Vishnupuri Katan silk. It's It's a very smart piece. And you have to see the pallu and the blouse. In the pallu and the blouse, you will get this very intricate fishbone design. Very intricate fishbone design. See, all art has been done in Katha. And in the body of your sari, all over the sari, you will get this Katha, and you have to show the border also. It has a very intricate running Katha stitch border all over the sari. All over your sari you will get this design. The thread color is very smart. It has a grey and a black thread color. All over your sari will go like this, and this is the pallu portion and also the blouse. See, I am showing you in folds so that you will get to know the work portion. This is the first fold and this is the second fold and this is the third fold. Okay, all over your sari you will get this design. Oh sorry, the price is 7500. The price is 7500 of the last Vishnupuri Katan silk sari. Now this sari is a pure Gachi Tasar. Price is 8000. The price is 8000. The thread color is a black and a red. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. You can wear it with a red blouse. You will look very gorgeous. Or you can wear with the running blouse of the sari. Very soft, very high quality pure Gachi Tasar, and all sari you will get silk mark certification. See the thread look. Price is 8000. Now it's a Vishnupuri Katan silk. Very nice color. Very nice color. The fold has been done in a wrong way. See, this is the pallu or the aanchal will be like this in a smart stripe design, and all over your sari will go like this. See the border. In the border also Katha has been done in a lines way. The color is very nice, very smart color. It's a magenta color, and the work portion you can see it's a all over work. It's a all over work, all over Katha. The 5.5 meter of the sari you will get this design. This sari took minimum 7 months, maximum 10 to 12 months. All over your sari will get this design. This is the pallu and the blouse will be like in stripe design. Very smart sari. And the price is 7800. Vishnupuri Katan silk. It's a 3-ply silk. Now another pure Bangalore silk. Wow. See the smartness of the sari. There is no red in the sari, it's a rust and a maroon. There is no red, it's a rust and a maroon. And see the work portion. I mean, all over you will get this Katha embroidery. In the middle of your body sari, this net has been done by hand with the Katha stitch embroidery. In both sides you will get temple design. The color combination is very smart. It's not red, it's a maroon and a rust. It's not red, it's a maroon and a rust. And see that pallu design. It's a Meenakari Katha. Very intricate Katha. Yes, it is. Very intricate one. This sari took 12 months. This all over sari took 12 months. second fold. All over the sari will get this net katha. And this is the third fold. This will come in the pleats. And this is the blouse. And I am showing you the pallu. It's an intricate katha. See, this is the pallu. The price is 8400. 8400 price. Material is pure Bangalore silk. Now another Vishnupuri Katan silk. Wow, the color combination is very unique color combination. It has been dyed. The silk has been dyed first, then we have done katha on it. See the work portion. It's a robin blue with the tussar color. It's not tussar actually, it's a biscuit color or butter color you can say. And this is the pallu design. Very smart color and a very smart design, not floral. It's a chota geometric design. It's a triangle, small triangle. It's a corner to corner design. The drape will come like this. See the drape look. The price is 8200. The price is 8200. I am showing you the blouse. See, this is the blouse. These two come in the sleeve and this portion will come in the back of your blouse. Wow, it's a very pretty pink. It's a partly pallu, no, it's a half design. 2.5 meter you will get this design. Very intricate work and a very heavy design. The cover up of the design is ready. The price is 7800. Material is pure Bangalore silk. And I am showing you the drape. See, this will come in the pleats. So in the pleats you will get 12-inch border. Wow, very nice pick, very elegant one. Those who want a pretty color, this is a good option. The 2.5 meter will come like this design, and in the pleats you will get this portion. So it's a big pallu, it's a 2.5 meter pallu. The price is 7800 and this is the blouse. This is the blouse. Okay. Now another very smart design and a color. It's a pure Gachi Tassar and see the combination. Very sober combination. Price is 7500. Very elegant. All are hand katha stitch embroidery. One sari took minimum 3 months, maximum 1 year. See. And the blouse is, this is the blouse. These two standing paisley will come in the sleeve. The price is 7500. Now it's a partly pallu design, pure Gachi Tassar, and we have dyed first, then we have done katha on it. See the design. Wow. This is the pallu. Wow. This is the natural color of the tassar, and we have dyed in pink border, and in the pleats you will get this peacock design. This is the pleats color. come in the front, and this is the pallu. So overall look will be like this, and the blouse also in this pink. See the peacock design, beautiful peacock. The thread color is a white, and see the butta of all over your body. It's a beautiful butta. I'm showing you in folds. This is the first fold. This will come in the yoke, and this is the pleats of the sari. So 2 meter pleats will go like this, and rest of the sari will go like this. And the price is 8200. The price is 8200. The last from today's video. See the color combination. Very bright, very unique color combination. Yes, the material is pure Gachi Tasar. Material is pure Gachi Tasar. See the color, very nice color. All are tone of peach and orange. And the design is a geometric design. All are tone of peach and orange. Half of your sari will go like this. And in the pleats, you will get this design. Wow. See the contrast of the sari. Let me drape properly so that you will get the full look. This is the pleats. This will come in your full sleeve pleats. This is the fourth fold of the sari, and this is the blouse. So half of your sari will come like this design. See the carpet design. The tasar has been invisible. Very nice color. The price is 8000. Pure Gachi Tasar. Very nice sari. So divas, please subscribe our channel, because we'll come very regularly with new collection of Kantha stitch saris exclusively from Nakshi Katha. And if you want to book any sari from today's video, you can WhatsApp us in the given number below in the screen. And if you want to see our live shows, our live Facebook link has been given in the description box. Thank you.